Alright, so we're here now at the range again with the trusty Hatsan Flash 22 with the Wolf Lothar 30-inch polygonal unchoked barrel. We have here the FX hybrids, which is 22 grains. It's in 22 cal. Then we have the JSB redesigns 25 grainers that I sighted this gun in. Then we have the H&N's 21 and 23 grain slugs, and these are the old style. This is not the massive expansion, so it's a little bit older testing that I'm gonna do today. So stay tuned. Twenty-one grainers. Hmm. 23 grainers. The hybrids. That was a good one. Yeah. Finally. Okay, so now we got the flag up there, and let's go and have a look on the actual results that we have here. So I did feel really good about this test. It's the normal setup that I've always been having, and I sighted it in with the 25 grain redesigns. That's the normal, you know, shenanigans that I usually shoot it with. And yeah, the FX hybrids were doing really well. So the first group was the JSB's redesigns. This was the H&N's 21 grainers, the H&N 23 grainers, and the FX hybrids in 22 grains. And I think the overall winner most definitely was the FX hybrids, and I'm gonna show some more detailed measurements here pretty soon. And I think I'm gonna shoot this last group still as the JSB's redesigns, just to show that I wasn't you know, shooting the gun when it was cold or too hot or something like that, that it's really, you know, designed to be shooting it like that. So yeah, let's hop into it. Do a couple of shots here first to see the 0.
921.
Okay. Then to the center. There we go. So that was the control group with the 25 grain redesigns. So let's actually do this and go and check the control group and the other groups too. I did shoot this last group afterwards, and the reasoning to that was that I was a little bit hesitant because I think the gun wasn't, or the PCP wasn't warm enough yet, so there was some weird deviation on the speeds in the beginning, and I think that messed up my first redesign group really, because I had tuned everything to be shooting, you know, with this ammo, and it really did show. So what we can see here is the redesign's first group, and this is the second group, almost a ragged hole. And we had the H&N's 21 grainers, H&N's 23 grainers, and the FX hybrids in 22 grains. So I think seeing the results, it is a very accurate setup that I have with the Wolf barrel, and it's only a $300 Hatsan Flash, you know, that I tuned up myself with the regulators and stuff. So there you have it.